There's Teddy. So this is living in a construction zone. Come through here. Right now we got this plastic wall up in the kitchen. Don't have much of a living room right now. Still have a subfloor here in the kitchen. We go in here and this is the old floor. This is the back room, the office. Got this temporary floor just so we can get in and out, get to the back room and the bathroom. This is our bathroom right now. I had to bring my tools in here. Tore the ceiling out. Tore this wall out. Still have somewhat of a shower. And so, yep, this is what we're doing right now. So this is what I'm doing, framing this floor out. Trying to level it all out. Kind of a pain in the butt because I gotta spend time pulling this up and putting this down every day. Just so we have access at night into the kitchen and the bathroom.